messing around with the DJI Z30, checking out what it really is to have 30 times zoom here. You can see pretty amazing. So I'm zooming in here. I'm at 30 times zoom there from my balcony. You can see pretty much reading the information on these stickers on this air conditioning unit on the top of this roof across the street from me. Pretty amazing. So fully zooming out, you can see all the way off in the distance is Fort Lauderdale. How close can I zoom in on Fort Lauderdale, which is literally about 20 minutes from me driving distance, and pretty insane. So that's right about 30 times zoom there. And then if we really want to get crazy, I can push all the way in here to 180 times zoom, and then back and back out there. You can just see how far that really is from me and just how crazy the zoom is on the Z30. Zooming in here again on this AC unit, I mean, I can basically read right there on that sticker and see what's going on. If I was doing inspections or if I'm doing different kinds of work, I can do it all there, zooming in from a safe distance, getting all the information that I need. I don't need to be right next to the object. This is just showing you guys how remarkably sharp it is, even at 30 times zoom. And same thing, just tapping on the screen here, very simple to zoom in and out, just tapping in. Camera will go exactly where you tapped at, so it works out perfectly. Just giving you guys an example of the DJI Z30 and the amazing zoom that it offers.